In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert the current date and time in Google Sheets. I'm going to show two different methods. One is using the keyboard shortcut, and then the other method will be using the timestamp formulas of today and now. So the first option, if you just want to add the current date in Google Sheets, is to use the keyboard shortcut for this, which is just pressing Control and the semicolon button on your keyboard. So I'll show you what that looks like in the cell here. So I've clicked on the cell, and then I'm just hitting Control and the semicolon button, and this just adds in the current date. The next option is current time. So it's kind of similar to the date one, but you're just adding a shift. So you're pressing Control, Shift, and the semicolon button. Control, Shift, semicolon. So make sure you're holding down Control and Shift when you hit the semicolon. So this just adds in the time. You'll notice these are static values. If you want values that will change as the date and time changes, what you need to do is use the today or now functions. So the function, this is the basic syntax of these, today and now. I'll just show you how to do them. So equals today, and then you put your closing parentheses, and this just adds the date. And then now is same thing, now, closing parentheses. This will add the date and time. So the thing about this is going to recalculate. You see, every time I change a cell, the timestamp recalculates. It's what's called a volatile function in Google Sheets. So it does recalculate. If that's not what you want, you can always obviously just paste these as values, so they're static. You'd have to format this as a date, but that is how to insert the current date and time in Google Sheets. The two methods, using the keyboard or using the timestamp functions. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer everyone.